Guys, check it out what we got coming in. '09 BMW 328i Wagon. It took him a year to find this car. They're very rare to find them. Look at this thing. It's cool. I like the wagons on these. I don't know why they didn't make more of them. But here's what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 87. Again. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to do a muffler delete and a new tip. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it after. So if you guys wondered what these look like under here on the 328i's, the station wagons, it does have a little bit bigger muffler than the regular 328. It's got the dual tip. Stock muffler single right there. It's huge. And then it's still got the resonator on it there. Still got the quad catalytic converters. So the resonator, if you ever need to take it off, you'll have to put a Y pipe in its place because it's dual in, single out. But the muffler is single in, single out. So that's a good thing. And then you got some more catalytic converters up there on the manifold. And then the secondaries are right there. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a muffler delete on it and put this black tip that he bought right there on. Stay tuned. So we let you guys hear what it sounded like before with this sexy BMW 328 station wagon, which is awesome, man. I like that. I'd love to find me one of these. They're hard to come by. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got factory converters up there on the manifold. Then it's true dualed into two secondary converters there. Then it wires into a single for the resonator right there. Then 3-inch pipe, or 2.5 actually, sorry guys. 2.5 gets moved all the way around and snaked. And this was where the muffler was, which is right here, that we took off and ran a pipe in its place, put new hangers on it, and installed a new tip that he bought. There'll be a link in the description for the tip if we can get it for you guys right there. So looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. He wanted a little bit more sound out of it. I said, we got you, man, we'll hook you up. That's what we did. There it is. That's what it looks like. Nice and clean. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Clean. Now it's got a little bit of a tone to it. Nothing crazy, just a clean, deep tone. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. Perfect. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Fun fact about me, guys, I used to own one, but not a hatchback. And it was a turbo diesel 330D. Same year, 2009. I remembered it when I saw the tail lights. These LED tail lights had a problem with them. They always shorted out. So fun fact about BMW back in the day. And me. That sounds good. Nothing crazy overbearing. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Road. This is our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Again. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here's sound decibels. Right at 87. Again. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to do a muffler delete and a new tip. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it after. Clean. crazy, just a clean deep tone. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. Perfect. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Go ahead, give it gas. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I like it. Here's sound decibels. Again. 110, that's pretty loud. Yeah, that's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. 328i. Hatchback. 5-door. That's clean, nothing crazy, just a nice deep tone. Enjoy, guys.